हेलो चिल्ड्रन, इन द लास्ट क्लास हमने कुछ क्वेश्चंस किए थे 3.6 के. ओके, सो वी प्रोसीड फर्दर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का 7th पार्ट लेते हैं. 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4, and next one is 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. Right? So we assume here, let 1 upon x plus y is equal to p and 1 upon x minus y is equal to q. Okay, suppose that was equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now ये जो equations है that will reduce to 10p plus 2q is equal to 4, number 3, and 15p minus 5q is equal to minus 2, number 4. Okay, now we solve these equation by using any method. Suppose elimination. So we multiply this by 5, this by 2. Multiply equation 3 by 5 and equation 4 by 2. Let's see what we have. 50p plus 10q is equal to 20, equation number 5, and 30p minus 10q is equal to minus 4, number 6. Okay, add these equation. As you add them, this is cancelled, right? So we have 80p is equal to 16. Therefore p is equal to 16 upon 80, that is 1 upon 5, right? Now using p is equal to 1 upon 5 in equation number 3, right? So 10 into 1 upon 5 plus 2q is equal to 4. So we have 2 plus 2q is equal to 4. Okay, so 2q is equal to 2 and therefore q is equal to 2 upon 2, that is 1. Okay, so p we got 1 upon 5, right, and q we got 1. Okay, now but we need to find the value of x and y, not p and the q. Now p we got 1 upon 5 and q we got 1, और p की वैल्यू क्या है? 1 upon x plus y is equal to 1 upon 5. q की वैल्यू ये, right? So if we solve them, so we got x plus y is equal to 5, right? Equation number 7, and this becomes x minus y is equal to 1, equation number 8. Add again. If you add, x cancel, 2x is equal to 6. So x कितना आया? 3, right? Now use x is equal to 3. Using x is equal to 3 in 7, तो क्या आएगा देखो? 3 plus y is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2. तो आंसर आ गया x3 and y2. ठीक है, राइट? नाउ हम स्टार्ट करते हैं इसकी वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स, ठीक है। Question number 2, part number first. Let's see what is given to you. Read the first part. Ritu can row downstream 20 kilometers in 2 hours and upstream 4 kilometers in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and the speed of current. Right? So first we assume that let speed of Ritu is x kilometer per hour and the speed of current y kilometer per hour. Right? Now what is upstream? Upstream is in the opposite direction of motion, right? Opposite direction of motion, opposite direction of air, opposite direction of water, right? What is downstream? In the direction of motion, right? Upstream in the opposite direction of motion, downstream in the direction of motion. तो डाउनस्ट्रीम में क्या होगा? डाउनस्ट्रीम में दोनों की स्पीड ऐड हो जाएगी, ठीक है। और अपस्ट्रीम में क्या होगा? आपस में अपोजिट है, राइट। सो वी से अपस्ट्रीम स्पीड जो आएगी वो आएगी x माइनस वाई, और जो डाउनस्ट्रीम स्पीड आएगी वो आएगी x प्लस वाई, ठीक है। अप में क्यों आएगी x माइनस वाई? क्योंकि अपोजिट है। डाउन में क्यों आएगी x प्लस वाई? क्योंकि दोनों सेम डायरेक्शन में है, इसलिए, ठीक है। नाउ व्हाट ही सेड, Ritu can row downstream 20 kilometers in 2 hours. We know that speed is equal to distance upon time. ठीक है। अब Ritu can row downstream, तो स्पीड डाउनस्ट्रीम भी कितनी है? x प्लस वाई। डिस्टेंस कितनी कवर की उसने? 20। टाइम 2 hours. It means we got the first equation, x plus y is equal to 10, right? And अब next read करो. Next is upstream 4 kilometers in 2 hours. Again speed is equal to distance upon time. Speed of upstream x minus y. Yeah. Distance 4 kilometer. Time 2 hours. Let's see second equation, x minus y is equal to 2, right? Now we solve. X plus y is equal to 10, first equation. X minus y is equal to 2, second equation. अगर ऐड करोगे तो ये y कैंसिल, 2x is equal to 12 and therefore x is equal to 6, right? Use x is equal to 6 in equation first. Using x is equal to 6 in first, और फर्स्ट इक्वेशन क्या थी? x plus y is equal to 10, right? So 6 plus y is equal to 10, so y is equal to 4. Therefore speed of Ritu is 6 kilometer per hour and the speed of current 4 किलोमीटर। ठीक है, ऐसे क्वेश्चंस चैप्टर नंबर 4 में भी आएंगे अपने पास, अपस्ट्रीम डाउनस्ट्रीम वाले। ओके, ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट करते हैं। We take its part number 2 also. Read करो। 2 women and 5 men can together finish a work in 4 days. 2 women and how many men? 5 men can finish a work in 4 days together, right? And 3 women and 6 men, 3 women and 6 men finish the work in 3 days, right? We need to find the time taken by 1 woman alone to finish the work and 1 man alone, right? Let a man takes X days to finish the work, to finish work, right? A man take X days to finish work and a woman take Y days to finish the work, right? Man take X days and woman take Y days. So right now what we'll do, we find the 1 man's 1 day work, right? So 1 man's 1 day work, एक मैन का 1 day वर्क कितना होगा? 1/x, right? Suppose I am doing a work in 3 days, right? So how much I will finish in 1 day? 1/3. I am doing a work in 4 days, तो एक दिन में कितना होगा? 1/4. Here the man is doing the work in x days, so how much he will finish in 1 day? 1/x. इसलिए 1 man's 1 day work 1/x and 1 woman's 1 day work 1/5, right? अब देखो फर्स्ट केस में क्या है? 5 मैन एंड 2 वुमेन, 5 मैन है 2 वुमेन्स, सो 5 मैन्स 1 day वर्क, ठीक है? देखो 1 मैना कितना है? 1/x 1 डे का, तो 5 मैना कितना होगा? 5/x. Similarly 2 women, so 2 women's 1 day work, 1 woman का कितना है? 1/y, so 2 women कितना होगा? 2/y, right? Okay, now according to the question, 1 day work of man, ये मैन का, 5 मैन का, ये 2 वुमेन का, दोनों का 1 डे का वर्क है ये, राइट? दोनों का 1 डे का वर्क है ना? अब इन दोनों ने काम फिनिश किया 4 डेज में, तो इनका 4 डे का वर्क, ये इनका 1 डे का वर्क है, दोनों का मिला के 1 डे का वर्क इंटू 4, सो वर्क हो गया 4 डेज का, सो दे हैव फिनिश द 1 वर्क, काम पूरा हो गया 1 वर्क, राइट? तो इक्वेशन आएगी आपके पास 5/x प्लस 2/y इज इक्वल टू 1/4, राइट? इक्वेशन नंबर 1, ओके, सिमिलरली अगर अपन सेकेंड इक्वेशन बनाएं 6 मैन एंड 3 वुमेन, 6 मैन एंड 3 वुमेन, तो सिमिलरली आएगी 6 अपॉन x एंड 3 अपॉन y is equal to 1 upon 3. Right? Clear? Now this one we can solve. Already we have done in 3.6. फिर भी करते हैं एक बार. Let 1 upon x be and 1 upon y q. Okay, so we have 5p plus 2q is equal to 1 upon 4, equation number 3, and 6p plus 3q is equal to 1 upon 3, equation number 4. ठीक है, सॉल्व करते हैं इसको. लेट्स सी क्या आएगा. सबसे पहले if you want you can cross multiply it, otherwise if you want to deal in fraction you can deal in fraction, is up to you. ठीक है, राइट. हम डील करते हैं फ्रैक्शन में. ठीक है, q को एलिमिनेट करते हैं. सो मल्टीप्लाई इक्वेशन 3 by 3 and equation 4 by 2. This equation by 3 and this equation by 2. Okay, let's see क्या आएगा. 15p plus 6q is equal to 3 upon 4, equation number 5, and 12p plus 6q is equal to 2 upon 3, number 6. Okay, subtract. If you subtract, sign will change, cancel हो गया. 3p is equal to, ये कितना आएगा देखो, ये आ गया 3 upon 4 minus 2 upon 3. So 3p is equal to, LCM आएगा 12, right? 9 minus 8. Therefore 3p is equal to 1 upon 12. So p कितना आ गया देखो, 1 upon 36. Right? Now use करो इसको. Using p is equal to 1 upon 36 in 4, 6, p की वैल्यू 1 upon 36 plus 3q is equal to 1 upon 3. ये कैंसिल हो गया, 6 आ गया. Right? Let's see what we got. 1 upon 6 plus 3q is equal to 1 upon 3. So 3q is equal to 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 6. LCM is 6. So 2 minus 1. So 3q is equal to 1 upon 6. So q is equal to 1 upon 18. Right? So p we got 1 upon 36 and q we got 1 upon 18. What is p? 1 upon x. What is q? 1 upon y. Right? So x is equal to 36 and y is equal to 18. Right? So man will finish the work alone in 36 days and woman alone will finish in 18 days. Right? Okay.